remember the days I was out with the cats, weren't born for the trap, but I done that stuff.
I said, man, the enter we change now. Come, if you're not get change now, bring the money now.
Okay, see my own.
No problem now. Come, you give me your 200 naira, all this 20 naira. You give me your 500. That 500, give her 30 naira, give this guy 18 naira. Then you give me your 500, all this 200 naira, all this 20 naira. Then driver, you owe 500 naira.
That's why you just start like this for everything that happen. The blessed person they talk nonsense for that side.
Ain't give me 500. 500.
Don't know.
Ain't give me
You're causing confusion.
500.
You're causing
No, not 500.
confusion.
She don't understand now. What is here not to under?
Chairman, you get mad though.
I want you to do with me.
Stop it, juju be that.
I